Alright, so I'm getting a low washer fluid light or message. Let's see if I can get it reproduced. Should pop up real quick. Boy, it's been hot. 91 right now, and it's like 6 o'clock. Anyways, let me push this button, see if it goes. It didn't pop up. So usually it says low washer fluid, so we know it's low, so we're gonna change that. So I bought this rainx bug remover. This one I bought because it helps add some additives so nothing sticks.
Yeah, nothing sticks. It helps.
Yeah.
Since our windshield wiper's dirty.
Here you go.
Yeah.
So the second button here, maybe it's hard to see, pulls the hood. This is the fuel door, which I opened by accident. So
yeah, so I'll close it up again. I'll close it up again
yeah,
now.
first thing we're gonna do, Jesse's gonna close it.
So that actually opens up the fuel.
Truck is dirty.
The fuel pump, so I closed it.
Yep. So now
I don't know where's the windshield wiper.
the wiper fluid. Oh, that's right here.
Okay.
Nice and easy, right? So a lot of times to access the battery or other areas, you gotta take all this stuff off, but here we just have to do it right here. So
And there's no.
it doesn't tell you when it's full though. So you just keep on pouring. You want to get a funnel?
Yeah, I'll get a funnel now.
You just stick it in there so it doesn't fall. It's easier to pour. See, it's a little wider. It's a wider opening than the
Dang. So
bat
now I'm gonna open it now.
Yeah.
Let me remove that plastic.
We'll clean that up later.
So now we're gonna pour the fluid.
Yep. Slower, slower, so you won't splash it.
Get more fluid.
Slower, yeah. Is it filling up?
Yeah, it should filling up.
Is it coming? Not yet. Now I think. Is it coming up? Okay, let go. Wait a second. It's filling up now, right? No? No, wow.
Nope.
Okay, keep on pouring some.
Pretty empty.
Right. I almost can guess that this is the fill.
Yeah, I think it's the fill line there.
Like this is the fill line, so you can fill it some more, pour some more.
Great, I'll pour some more.
That's my take. Yep, there
Great,
we go.
got it.
I think that's the fill line. I might be wrong, but I think that's a fill line because why would they have that line there? What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Cool.
But we almost used up all the bottle.
Yeah, I didn't know it was gonna use that much fluid. You know why I think it uses that much fluid? Because not only has a rear wiper, it has a
Headlight washers.
headlight
easy.
washers. So I think that's the reason why it has so much.
So I'm gonna close it.
Yep.
Snapped on. And
Yeah.
you're good to go.
Yeah.
Full washer is
wow,
filled.
that's almost a whole gallon.
Yep.
All right, Jesse, what do you say?
Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Make sure to please subscribe to our channel. And make sure to hit the bell and turn all notifications. And peace out.
Peace out.